Welcome to our video series of Specified Skilled Worker Category 2, Food and Beverage Manufacturing Industry. Study Textbook, Chapter 2, Safe and Secure Food Production. This generally talks about food safety, and as far as you think, there is no limit for this subject. Not only that this chapter have the trickiest questions for examination since it's wide in area. Therefore, I would like to discuss this subject with extra information so that you will get much more details about this subject. And also understanding the basic and fundamental about this subject is must for FACE examinations successfully. Once you understand the base of this topics, you can easily answer the questions with practical knowledge, which you get the most marks in the examination. Remember, these videos are divided into small, bite-sized segments to make studying and understanding easier. As a result, fewer questions are provided, focusing only on the key points you need to learn. Without further ado, let's begin our lesson. As usual, there will be quiz at the end of the video.
3ハサップの前提条件としての一般的な衛生管理に関する基準。一般衛生管理について体系的に整理された情報が市町村などのホームページにあるので参考にしてください。ハサップの前提条件では、一般的な衛生管理に関する基準、PRP、プリレキジットプログラムス、一般的衛生管理プログラムとも言います。として、以下の14項目を想定しています。以下の項目について、職場全体で守るべきルールなどを整理しているか、作業者が理解できているかなどについて確認してください。
3 standards related to general hygiene management. A prerequisite for HACCP. Before implementing HACCP, it's essential to have a firm understanding of general hygiene management standards, often referred to as prerequisite programs, PRPs, or general hygiene management programs. These serve as the foundation upon which HACCP is built. Comprehensive information regarding general hygiene management is systematically organized and available on municipal websites and similar platforms. However, since requirements and practices may vary by region, it's important to consult the local guidelines. For instance, wastewater management differs between urban and rural areas. In urban locations, wastewater may be discharged into a sewer system, while in rural settings, it often requires treatment at a plant before being released into a natural waterway. Below are 14 key elements considered critical to the prerequisite programs. For each, please ensure that clear workplace rules are established and that staff are properly informed and trained.
1、食品衛生責任者の選任。食品衛生管理者、営業許可など他にも必要な任務がある場合があります。2、施設の衛生管理。3、設備などの衛生管理。4、使用水などの衛生管理。5、ネズミ及び昆虫対策。6、廃棄物及び排水の取り扱い。7、食品または添加物を取り扱うものの衛生管理。8、検食・検査のための試食の実施。9、情報の提供。10、回収・廃棄。11、運搬。12、販売。13、教育訓練。14、その他、記録の管理など。
First, appointment of a food hygiene supervisor. A food hygiene supervisor may be required not only for overseeing hygiene practices, but also for obtaining certain business permits. Second, facility hygiene management. Covers cleaning, disinfection, and overall hygiene maintenance of the physical facility. 3. Equipment and utensil hygiene. Includes regular cleaning, disinfection, maintenance, and hygiene practices related to machinery, tools, and utensils. 4. Water usage and management. Pertains to the use of tap or potable water, conducting water quality testing, at least annually if using potable sources, and maintaining tanks, sterilizers, and purification systems. 5. Pest control, mice and insects. involves extermination or control measures based on regular inspections, typically at least twice per year. 6. Waste and wastewater management addresses the appropriate storage and disposal of solid waste and the proper treatment of wastewater. 7. Personal hygiene of food handlers ensures employees are healthy, particularly when showing symptoms like diarrhea or abdominal pain. This also includes rules on work attire, hand washing, and decisions on medical checks or absence from work if necessary. 8. Inspection of food products involves sampling and inspection of food, especially in large-scale preparation facilities, such as those producing boxed meals or catering services. 9. Provision of information includes offering consumers accurate product information and notifying public health authorities in cases of actual or potential health hazards. 10. Product recall and disposal establishes responsibilities and procedures for product recalls, notifying consumers, reporting to authorities, and managing recalled items. 11th, transportation management covers cleanliness and disinfection of vehicles and containers, along with control of temperature, humidity, and delivery times during transportation. 12th, sales practices ensures appropriate inventory levels and temperature control for products offered for sale. 13, education and training involves regular employee training along with evaluation and documentation of its effectiveness. 14, other measures, e.g. record keeping, requires maintaining records of suppliers, distribution channels, internal inspections, and other relevant documentation. We're about to begin our quiz. These questions are designed to help reinforce everything you've learned today. Keep in mind, they're different from the ones you'll encounter in exams. The quiz will first display the text in kanji only, as this matches the format used in examinations. Afterward, Ruby text furigana will be shown for reference. Feel free to pause the video if you need extra time to think. Hope you are ready. Let's begin our quiz.
問題1。PRP プリレキジットプログラムスとは何を意味しますか？ 1. 衛生管理 2. 健康管理 3. ハサップの前提条件としての一般的な衛生管理に関する基準。正解は3番です。問題2。ハサップの前提条件としての一般的な衛生管理に関する基準を指す名称として誤っているものはどれですか？ 1. 重要管理点 2. 一般的衛生管理プログラム 3. PRP プリレキジットプログラムス。正解は1番です。問題3。一般的衛生管理プログラムにおいて想定されている項目に該当しないものはどれですか？ 1. 情報の提供 2. 財務管理 3. 教育訓練。正解は2番です。